It's John and I'm road tripping in the BMW 330i. I'm currently at a rest stop in Maryland with this beautiful full-size sedan by BMW. It's fast, it's swift, it's great on gas, and we're taking this highway by storm. So this is the beginning of my journey with the BMW 330i. I'll let you know how it feels on the end. So I'm in New York City, about to head home in the BMW 330i.
Pick up my husband and son at a hospital.
City life. It's been great though. So I had my road trip in the BMW 330i, and it started in the sun. It was a gloomy day in New York when we left, and now it's raining here in DC. I'm going to give you an inside look at this sleek, fast sedan by BMW. Well-appointed interior, black on brown, plenty of amenities. It was comfortable. It has multiple speeds, and it's got a sunroof. Ample leg room in the second row, even with the front seats fully reclined. Spacious trunk with cargo area and 2 side bins for things that you don't want moving around. Push button start. Multiple drive functions, and control the car from here. I also love the extra long entertainment and navigation console. Here's the heating and cooling. Digital dashboard and drive functions and control options on the steering wheel. USB and other powers where the cup holders are, and you can close this up. Additional USB in the armrest. I really like the internal lighting in this car. And do you need a SOS? BMW 330i, this made my road trip exceptional.